Sketch the graph of the polynomial function p of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared minus 3x. The first thing we do is we look at our leading term to get our end behavior. So first of all, our leading coefficient is positive 1. And a positive leading coefficient means that the right side of the graph goes up. So y approaches infinity, we're going up, as x approaches infinity on the right. Then we look at the degree, and the degree of this polynomial is 3, which is odd. And an odd degree means that the left side of the graph does something different. So instead of going up, we'll be going down. So y approaches negative infinity as x approaches negative infinity. Then we want a factored form of our polynomial. So first we can factor an x out of this. So we have x times x squared minus 2x minus 3. And then this quadratic we can factor. That's going to be an x minus 3 times an x plus 1. And then from our factored form, we can get our zeros. So we have, first of all, this factor, set it equal to 0. We get x equals 0. And that has a multiplicity of 1, because the exponent on that is 1. And then we have this factor, x minus 3. And if we set that equal to 0, we get x equals 3. And that also has a multiplicity of 1, because the exponent on that is 1. And then we've got this last one, which is x plus 1, and set that equal to 0. We get x equals negative 1. Once again, that has a multiplicity of 1, because the exponent is 1. Okay, then we can kind of plot what we have. So we have our end behavior. On the right side of the graph, we are going up. And on the left side of the graph, we are going down. And then we can plot our zeros. So we've got a 0 at negative 1. And we have a 0 at 0. And we have a 0 over at 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now because the multiplicity of each of these zeros is 1, okay, a multiplicity of 1 means that it looks like x to the first, which is a line. So the way that these touch the axis is the way a straight line would touch the axis, just crossing right through. Okay, and so we started our end behavior and we go through and we just cross right through like a line would for each one of these. Okay, and then note that was just connect it to our end behavior. And there's a sketch of our polynomial. We of course don't know how high or low it goes in these different sections, but this is still our basic shape.